Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python on Windows 11. To start with, open your browser and type Python. Next, you will need to click on the python.org, which is the official website for Python. And then in order to download the executable to install Python on Windows 11, we need to click here the button Python 3.13.5. However, if you don't see this number, or if you want to download a different version, you can basically go to the Windows tab over here and click, and you will be navigated to a different web page where you can check different versions. So now, in order to install the executable, we need to click on it, and then a window will pop up. You will need now to click those two options down, and then the next step is to click the customize installation, and from here you will just leave all the optional features selected, click next, and from the advanced options I suggest you to maybe have the installation Python 3.13 for all users if it's your personal computer, and automatically that will be click the recompile standard library that you will need to leave. So now you're ready, and then you can click install. You have also here the installation location, which you can change if you wish. Okay, now we have successfully installed Python, and we can close this window. Now that we have downloaded and installed Python on our system, it's time to check that is correct, and then we can do it by finding the command prompt or cmd on Windows. And then now we can write python / version, and we can see that the version that we have is the 3.13.5. and then if we want to run a command, we can write python, we press enter, and then we can print something such as hello world, and if we press enter, we can see this message is printed. So with that, we have successfully installed and checked that Python is installed in our system. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe, or if you have any other questions, please write down in the comment. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.